Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, Arjuna's position is very precarious. There is a Bengali proverb, naste bose ghumtata. A girl, she is very famous dancing girl. So, it is a system, as we have introduced, the girls and ladies, they have their veil, ghumta. It is called ghumta in Indian language. So, a dancing girl, when she was on the stage, she saw that so many of her relatives are there as visitors. So, she began to draw the veil. This is not required. You are a dancing girl, now you have to dance. You cannot be shy. You must freely dance. That is your duty. So Arjuna, some rascal has killed some man, giving the reason that killing is not sinful, because in the Bhagavad-gita is stated there. Yes, apparently to the rascals it appears like that Krishna is encouraging Arjuna to fight, and he says there is no sin. But the rascal does not see under what condition he is advising. Sadharmam apichaveksha. Where sadharma, the principle is, a Kshatriya's duty is to fight, is to kill in fight. If you are in fight, you become sympathetic. There is the same example. The dancing girl, when on the stage, if she is shy, and it is like that. Why she should be shy? She must dance freely. That will be credit. So, in the war field, you cannot be compassionate. That is not required. In so many ways. Ahimsa, Arjava, these are good qualities. In the 13 chapters, Krishna has described ahimsa, non-violence. Non-violence is generally accepted. And actually, Arjuna was non-violent. He was not a coward. Not that because he was coward, therefore he was refusing to fight. No. As a Vaishnava, naturally he is non-violent. He does not like to kill anyone, and especially his own family men. He was taking little compassion, not that he was a coward. So, Krishna is encouraging, inducing Arjuna to observe the duty. You cannot deviate from duty. That was the point. When there is fight, you must fight regularly and kill the enemies. That is your credit. When you are fighting with the enemies, if you become compassionate, how shall I kill? That is cowardice. Therefore, Krishna concludes here, Hato va prapsasi sadgam jitya va moksha bhokshasi mahim. There are two alternatives. For a fighter, for a Kshatriya, to fight in the battle, either gain victory or die. No Vanimedia. Fight to the last point. If you are able, then become victorious. Or die. No stoppage. All this fighting was meant like that. According to Vedic culture, the Kshatriyas, not the Brahmanas. The Brahmanas are not encouraged to fight or kill. No. They should remain always non-violent. Even there is required violence, the Brahmana will not kill personally. He will bring the matter to the Kshatriya, royal order.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.